Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change VoiceOver speaking rate on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, to turn on the VoiceOver, you want to go to the settings, then you want to go to accessibility, and then you want to go to the VoiceOver. As you can see, now you can turn that on. We are not going to do this because here you are going to find the speaking rate. So to the left it is going to be slow, to the right it is going to be fast. If you select the 100% fast, I guess you're not going to understand anything that VoiceOver is saying because it is really fast. Let me show you. As you can hear, maybe or not, let me just grab the phone, show you that. As you can see, this is really fast. So now I'm going to turn off the VoiceOver to not be bothered by it in my case. So if you swipe to the left, this is going to be a little bit slower, the speaking rate. So let's just turn on the VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on, settings, accessibility, back button.
As you can hear, now it is, really slow, so you can adjust the speaking rate by going right, it's going to be faster, left is going to be slower. So if you want to adjust it during the VoiceOver, so let me just turn it down a little bit, you need to select and then double tap, and then you can select the VoiceOver speaking rate. So I'm going to leave it at 60 because still I can, manage the speaking rate to hear what the Siri is now saying. And now again to turn off the VoiceOver, just double tap, and now the VoiceOver is going to be off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!